Greetings, ELC Broward families. If you need assistance to sign up for the updated FDLOE single sign on the Family Portal website, please watch this video tutorial for assistance. This new process is for new and current ELC Broward clients. This video will show you how to set up your Family Portal single sign-on. So let's begin. First, you're going to access the Early Learning Coalition of Broward County website at elcbroward.org. From there, you're going to click on the Family Portal link. That link will bring you up to the Family Portal homepage. On that page, click on the Sign Up button to begin the single sign-on process. Once you click on Sign Up, you will go ahead and click on Proceed to Single Sign-On. From here, you will enter your email address. If you already have a Family Portal account, please use the email address associated with your existing account. Then click on the Send Verification Code button. Check for an email from Microsoft on behalf of Florida SSO. It can take between 1 to 3 minutes to receive the email. Once you have received the email, enter the code in the verification code box and click on the Verify Code button. Once the code is verified, a message stating the code has been verified. You will then continue the process by entering your first name, last name, and password. The middle name and the suffix fields are optional. You do not have to fill them out. Once all of the required fields have been completed, please review the acceptable use policy and check the box indicating that you have read and understood the information provided to you. Then click on Continue. The next screen will prompt you to select a multi-factor authentication method. Please select the method you wish to receive the multi-factor authentication. Phone number is the simplest if you can receive text messages. Please note that the selection you make will hold for all future sign-in attempts. Once you select your preferred method of contact for the multi-factor authentication and entered the respective required information, click Send Code. A one-time verification code will be sent to you. Enter the code and click on the Verify Code button. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will use an email address for the multi-factor authentication. The following page will display with your SSO login. An email will be sent with the same information. Once you see this screen, your account has been created. You will always see a 0 and dash before your email address for the new single sign-on method. That's how you know your account has been created. To sign into your Family Portal account, you will go back to the Family Portal homepage and click on the Sign In button. On the next page, click on the hosted/self-registered login icon. On the next page, enter the SSO username provided to you via email and click Sign In. Please remember to include the 0 and dash in front of your email address. Then enter the password that you created and click Continue. From here, you are going to click on the Send Verification Code button. Once you receive the code to your preferred method of contact, enter it in the verification code field and click Verify Code. Once you are logged into your portal, you should be able to see your Family Portal dashboard where you can access your voluntary pre-kindergarten and school readiness information. For current users, you will be able to see in detail your child's VPK and school readiness services. New users will be able to apply to the ELC Broward School Readiness waitlist by selecting the Create a New School Readiness Application button or Create a New VPK application to apply for VPK. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you need further assistance with access to the new single sign on Family Portal, please contact ELC Broward at 954-377-2188. Have a great day.